Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can change the language for Hogwarts Legacy, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to change your Hogwarts Legacy language on your computer easily. So I'll show you how to do it on both Epic Games and the Steam launcher. So first off, you're going to go on to your Epic Games, you're going to go into your library, you're going to click onto these three dots right next to Hogwarts Legacy, and then you're going to go into options, and here you have the additional languages. So whatever language you want from here, you're just going to click on it and then it will start downloading that language for you. And now I'm going to show you how to do it on Steam. You're going to open Steam up, you're going to right click on Hogwarts Legacy. I'm going to use Counter-Strike as an example. You're going to go into properties and then you're going to go into general, and here you have this language option, so just click on it and then you have all of these languages. You're just going to select any language and then it will download the language for you, and after that you should be able to play Hogwarts Legacy in any language you want. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.